to another episode of Chev's Garage. As you know, we are a world-renowned service and repair center, typically working on pieces of poo like this, turning it into fantastic rides and making customers happy. Do a lot of restorations, upgrades, light bars, sound bars, custom sound systems, you name it, we can get you done. But today is a little different. I got a call from a buddy of mine, Jeremy Clarkson, and he said, I'm interested in getting into farming. And I thought, well, that's an interesting idea. So, what's the first thing you need for farming? A good tractor. Yes, we need a good tractor. But since farming is such an expensive endeavor to get into, we should start off fairly small. We need a tractor that can get the job done and look cool while doing it. So let's check out what today's project is. What we have here is a classic John Deere 210 from the early 80s. Yes, it is a mighty little rascal. We've already outfitted an engine with a stack. I mean, you have to have a big exhaust stack, right? That is always needed. And it has the necessary bad boys winch on the front. Because, you know, when cows get tipped over, you got to tip them back. So, always need a winch. Got a light bar on the front so we can farm at night. Absolutely. We're still trying to figure out where to put the wiring for the winch, but that's a whole different story. We will sort it out. We got some big tires on it because, you know, mud gets deep. We got lights on the back in case you want to farm in reverse. And a much needed tribute. Yes, anybody know? Bandit 1. There we go, from Georgia. Coming around to the other side. Necessary fire extinguisher because, yes, it might catch fire. And we've taken the anemic little John Deere 10 horsepower motor and upgraded it to a Predator 420cc, putting out a whopping 13 horsepower. Yes, that extra 3 horsepower could make all the difference. Anyhow, we're going to get started on some more upgrades to it, and I'll keep you updated. Signing off, Steve. Peace out. Progress update. We have lights, underglow lights. Test 1. There they are. They're not changing. Oh, there they go. Changing colors. Changing colors. You see the disaster of what it takes to do silly stuff like underglow lights. What a mess. Alright. It's the perfect ride for a high schooler. Nice. Alright, we keep moving. Okay, the 1980 tractor John Deere 210 is done. Looking super clean, super nice, super high schoolish. My camera's not wide enough. Alright, so what we now have is a main power wire, or main power switch. Yep. We got rock lights. Oh, we got, yeah, man. That's sweet. And then we got front LED bar. Look at that, look at that. And then rears, in case you want to go backwards. Nice. All right, fire it up, Alan. Let her rip. Wait, time for a run.
we call a POS. Oh yeah.
That's nice.
Woo. Get that tape cemented on there.
Yep. That's actually kind of fun. I'm gonna take it for another day.
Hey, Alan, make another round. Oh my gosh, that is dangerous. Ah. All right, thumbs up. It's good to go. Good to go.
Good to go.
Signing off for now, it's Chev's Garage. Call us if you need some upgrades.